Why, hello, everybody. Wowie here. And, yeah, looky, I went to the Windsor Plywood. I believe this full piece was $17. So, it's just a 1 by, I believe that was 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Or possibly 4, no, that's a 1 by 12. But anyways, I got a request to do a sign, and it's gonna say Deb's Shed. And then they asked if there could maybe be a raccoon somehow incorporated. So I was thinking maybe like do, instead of putting the words this way, do Deb's Shed, because it's the same amount of letters, and then I have more space to do something. But it's just going to be relief. You only like look how much depth I got to work with, but I'll do my best. And then there's going to be a little leftover piece up here. Let me just say here, I got plans for that. All right, guys, that's what's happening. I'm going to be screwing around with this for the day and see how she goes. Talk to y'all real soon with an update. Ooh, look at you. You little gray bastard, you.